Hi there, and welcome back. As I mentioned a couple of times in the past videos, now that you learned a whole bunch of stuff, it would be very useful for you to open up your compiler, whatever you're compiling on, whichever compiler program you're using, and whatever operating system you're on, whether it's Windows or Mac or Linux or whatever you may be using, and start practicing a whole bunch of random stuff that you could think up with all the stuff we've learned to do, all of these powerful commands we've learned so far. And this will definitely help you remember all of this functionality so that when it comes to handy later on, and boy it will, you will definitely remember how everything works. And if you're a little like out of ideas or something, so I'm trying to put together some sort of forum where I will be able to post projects and basically programs which you viewers can try to make for practice. Currently I'm trying one free forum website which is hosted by freeboards.net, and the website to go here is, as you see, forum.freeboards.net $mforum equals anti-RTFM. Just look at the video comments the video information on the right side to see the exact website, and you can register and log in and start viewing the different projects that I've already posted. I've posted 2 different projects, and you can start posting your results, because when you're done, you pretty much will post your results as a reply to the forum, and then I could look over your code and correct if you've done any mistakes, or tell you that you did a good job. And eventually, hopefully this forum will get a little bigger. Maybe we'll open up some more categories in this forum to discuss different other stuff. Unfortunately, I've noticed a little bit of lag with this forum website. They say that nothing in the world is for free, so I'd expect that if there's lag on this website and it's going very slow, it's probably because it's a free forum website. So they're probably like hosting this website for thousands of people who are all like grabbing onto the same server at the same time, so it's taking a lot of lag. If this turns out to be the case, which I'm asking for a poll over here in the general category, if for you the forum is performing well, not like by me, so then we might need to move over to some other forum website, or try out something else. If you haven't read the video info on my other videos so far, I mentioned that if you have a suggestion about how to make the videos a little more clearer and more noob helpful and explanatory, please send me a message by way of YouTube messaging. If you have any C++ questions, like if you have a question on something I said in the video, so please comment. Don't send a message, which will give me a lot of too many messages in my inbox. So please just comment, and I will try to brush through all the comments on all videos and find your answer. So again, if it's about the video itself, send me a message. If you maybe found a mistake, or if you think something's wrong, or if you think that something could be explained a little bit better, etc., etc., send me a message. If it's a question about C++, just comment on that video. All these videos are obviously a first stab at this attempt to make a very nice explanatory series of video tutorials for absolute newbies. Hopefully this will all get better and better with all of your help, your comments, responses, and feedback, and this will all help make future videos and revisions and updates better. As you see in the you can see already videos 4, 5, 6, and 7 were already updated once. So yeah, with your help, we can all together revise these videos and make them as best as possible. Like for example, I remember when I was figuring out C++, not from video tutorials like these, but straight out of the books, I sometimes a few lines, a few phrases were like very hard to understand. Then after I figured it out, I told myself, if this guy would only write it like this and like that, and not as cryptic as he did write it in the book, I would have figured it out in 2 minutes if he would just explain it in another different set of words. So that's what I'm looking for. If you guys can feedback how if you had such thoughts on any of the videos, that if you would only say it a little bit more different and a little more clearer, it would be easier to understand. And yeah, so enough about that. Get to work on your compilers. Start making a whole bunch of crap with your compilers. I'll repeat, if you're on Microsoft Windows, I would highly suggest that you go to the Microsoft Visual Studio Express website and download the Microsoft Visual Studio Express compiler. If you're on another operating system, please use Google. That's www.google.com, and search for something like free compiler for whatever your operating system is, Mac or Linux, etc. If you like my videos and they're helping you learn C++, and you know someone else, a friend of yours maybe, who also wanted to learn C++ but didn't know how to go about it, please refer her or him to my video tutorials and try to spread the words. The word. Please try to rate my videos, put some comments, and hopefully we'll get to draw attention of a little bit of a crowd of those who are as desperate as I used to be about learning C++. About the comments and the questions in C++, please do not be shy or ashamed for any reason to ask any question. I will try to be as noob patient as possible. So basically I will try to have unlimited patience for any of the most stupidest newbie questions you can ever ask. So if you didn't get something right on the first time, please ask again and again and again, and I will try as much as possible to answer any of your questions. Thank you very much for watching.